Hey, yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl BigHead, baby, and I am back with another video. Hello, what's up? How y'all doing? Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, turn on post notifications to my new videos. Hello, I am BigHead, baby. Welcome to my channel. So hit that subscribe button so you can be feeling like you part of the family. Cause why wouldn't you want to watch me? Cause you always gotta have that one, not two, not three. Yeah, I can't never put my finger. There you go. Not three, but one person on your on your YouTube feed. They got a big head, so let it be big head, baby. You already know. But like I said, hit that subscribe button so you can be able to feel like you part of my fam. Cause I got love for all y'all. Once you subscribe, you come part of my fam. But yeah. So yeah. So today is Vlogmas Day 2. Yeah, I feel so proud of myself. I'm keeping up with this stuff, even though it's just the second day. But we just gonna get right into this video. So today's video, we're doing. Oh wait, I gotta wait because I gotta go get there and yeah, then I got some other stuff to do. But y'all gonna see what I'm got planned later on when we get into the video. So stay tuned. Don't click out this video because, like I said before, at the end of all my videos, I'm gonna have that one special word. Y'all gotta comment down below so I know that y'all made it to the end of my video. So look out for that. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. We're back. I'm sorry. We was still in class, and then I had to go get my hair done. My forehead big, y'all. Y'all already know that. But still. But like I said, in today's video, I didn't tell y'all what we doing.
He's good.
In today's video, we're doing a mukbang. We got corn, chicken, and Javana's don't want to be in the video.
I ate half of my food, y'all.
I only took a couple of bites because I just got here. Dip your bread in your corn. I'm good.
I can't eat my beans. My beans don't taste right. But they too salty for you. Look at that nigga.
He put ketchup on his chicken.
I put that other stuff in there.
I can't?
That's nasty. Yo, him and Cortez.
How's that nasty?
Huh?
What?
Who's no your stomach?
No.
What was that?
What was that? Like, yeah.
I told that. I had that too. I'm like, what?
We're gonna look now.
Y'all like our Christmas tree in the background?
Hmm?
Yeah, like my Christmas tree? Our Christmas tree?
Their Christmas tree?
Yeah, Christmas
Yeah.
tree. I mean,
You don't even see my Christmas tree.
yeah.
You don't even see our Christmas tree.
Okay, look. Well, your mom showed the picture.
Oh,
The phone.
yeah, y'all gonna see my Christmas tree. Probably Sunday, maybe.
Probably on Christmas. You never know.
Well, yeah, because I do a video every day. So,
Plus, you do. You got to.
I just said that. I'm sorry, y'all. If y'all see me eating like crazy, I'm hungry. I don't know why I'm eating.
I eat. Our eat was in jail today.
I'm hungry. So, there.
So, Christina.
How do you feel? Do you like being on my channel?
Yeah.
I look like a bobblehead. Like, look at my neck and then look at my head. Yo, gee. Oh, my nose burning. I just stopped sniffing.
Right, I was sniffing all I'm downstairs. I don't know why I kept sniffing.
So, did you answer my question?
I say yeah.
Um,
I love being on channel, no cap.
He'll be on my channel before he posts a video for his channel. Say hey, mama, so I can hear your voice.
Hey.
He's in there eating.
If you put honey in it, I just had this vision.
No, they come made already.
Okay.
Y'all, if y'all hear cussing in the background or something, calm down because it's not getting on. Okay? Oh my gosh, I look weird. I don't like updos because my forehead look big.
What?
Nothing.
What you say? What you say?
Nothing. I was having a conversation.
What you say?
I was talking about my forehead.
No.
Yes, I did. You don't hear when I was editing. You don't hear.
I think about water. I was gonna think about getting a tea, but I said never mind.
I was gonna say something.
So you tell me you never had ketchup on chicken? That's actually good. It makes it sweeter.
Ketchup not even sweet.
Yes, it is to me.
Anything sweet to you?
I like sweet stuff, so it really matters to me.
That's probably why I like this bread. Yeah, I love Hawaiian bread, Hawaiian rolls. Those are
I never ate it until I like it now.
dinner, Hawaiian dinner roll.
No, that was before I was little.
Mm.
I don't know what it was.
No, I haven't done that.
Hey, yo, my should be young. She do got a big forehead. She got a big. Her nigga. Hey. Got a little bud on her head.
It's tight. Like this part right. I can't turn.
I remember that day my mom would like do my hair with braids. I couldn't sound like
Yeah, y'all, he had a lot of hair. He was little. He had those braids. That's the only hairstyle I
right.
remember. He was little. Those braids.
I had got braids last time before I had this hair. Like I had this hair when I was
You
I
got
was
a bump
11.
right in the middle of your forehead.
Got what?
A bump.
I don't know. I don't even know how I did it.
There's another question I was gonna say. You gonna be in every video with me for Vlogmas?
That depends.
Well,
Okay.
except on the weekends.
Yeah,
He's not gonna be there.
that's why I said it depends. Or if I'm like in the mood to make a video with you.
Boy, I don't care if he's not in you or whatever. You gonna be in this camera. If I gotta do it, you gotta do it.
For real?
Well, you're lucky I ain't making you do it on your channel.
Oh,
I like dying. I like dying.
my book got come in 2 days. 24th, the person said it.
Progress report? Then y'all just get y'all report card.
That's what I'm saying. Like already.
How you talking about progress report? Yeah, I'm putting corn on everything on my plate, G.
Yesterday she was happy she got A's and B's.
Yes. I got enemies. Yeah.
All you gotta do is keep it up again. You might, you
Because
will
I'm
get on the
inconsistent.
underdog. I'm an underdog. I got enemies. It was at that one time I got to see him on my stuff. I was mad.
My face is on my glasses, not even feeling right in my face. I believe this mukbang is better than the other one we did.
It was a plan.
The one I could, it was what I named it, bootleg mukbang. Mm-mm. Yo, I don't like ASMR. Gee, I don't know what's wrong with my microphone, but
Hey, yo, it was messing up yesterday.
right
But I
there,
don't,
Vloggers Day 1, like towards the end, it was messing up.
like, you could barely even hear.
It was.
It was funny, dude. She kept getting mad.
Yes, anytime it's not serious. I was like, it is serious.
It wasn't really that
yes,
serious.
it is. I don't have patience to be doing stuff over and over.
Just do it the next day. That's what I do.
Yeah. When I get famous on YouTube, I'm gonna record. I'm gonna do an intro, like an actual professional intro. Like, everybody got their own professional Vlogmas intro doing. I'm like, dang. I'm using a template.
But as long as it's just like for Christmas.
Yeah.
What about Halloween? What about Halloween?
Mm-hmm.
You hear me?
I said, I don't know. It's a little vague in your face, too. Hold on. Yeah, that joint dying. Oh, this video not finna be long anyway. We're finna end it like at 11 minutes. Well, 12 minutes.
Oh, bitch, we almost done.
Y'all.
I might get some more corn. This put me banging.
What else?
I'm not gonna cap. I used to always play mukbangs. ASMRs on my phone. I don't know why.
Especially when they be doing honeycombs, he used to aggravate me with that.
I heard.
It was irritating, yo. That's why I don't like ASMR.
I bet if I never played that, I bet you would do it.
Probably not, because I got a low tolerance to it. So
I ain't gonna cap. It was a little bit annoying, but funny at the same time.
I don't find that stuff funny at all.
Bro! Who's not taking pie? I'm still gonna eat it. I don't care.
You just got a bad match, baby.
I can. Let me all be in.
You got a bad match.
I'll for eat anyway. I don't care.
My face is dry. What?
Yeah. Look. I'm so
It's 8:28 no more. Yeah.
yeah. Damn. Look at some more corn. Yeah.
Disgusting.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Okay. Yeah.
Oh dang! I said we was gonna end this video 12 minutes, 13 minutes. I don't know.
Bye, guys.
And stop.
3, 2, 1. Booyah, shukumiku. I'll get some corn.
You just made a mess of Miss Taylor.
Messy. This character a mess.
Took it.
Yeah.
Took it out.
Yeah.
Oh Lord. Alright, so that's the end of this video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 3. And stay blessed, stay safe, have a good day, good night, where you at, and where I'm back. Unlucky forgot to do the word that I chose. And so, excuse the lightning. So, the word is going to be balance. If you made it this far into the video, comment down the word balance. So I know that you watched my video. So
Watch my money grow, watch my money grow watch my money grow like a proud parent. Yeah, my money getting old and it's colder than the snow bunny. Happy get money, honey.